According to surveys conducted by Matthew Nisbet, pros and cons of human cloning were deduced as such. Pros: research on embryonic stem cells were considered significant in treatment of health problems including AIDS, diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, spinal cord injuries, and heart disease. A slight minority of 40 to 60% suggest that cloning should be used for laboratory research. The other pros were 50 to 60% of knowledgeable respondents suggested that funding should be allowed on research of stem cells and embryonic cells. It was also mentioned that genetic research by scientists in gene editing would be contributory. The cons were: scientists have been prevented from advancing in treatments due to restrictions in federally funded projects, limiting work to private and for-profit ventures. 54% of respondents thought that it was morally wrong for government support as stem cells require embryos destruction. The other cons were 50 to 70% disapprove in human cloning in terms of abnormalities in embryos, embryos for infertility treatment, and to produce copies of humans for organs. It was evident that reproductive cloning should be banned. Social responsibilities. In a journal by Yoshihiro Okada and Katsuo Watanabe, specific issues on social responsibilities entrusted to biotechnology companies were discussed as follows. Research companies must meet their responsibilities regarding employment and welfare, the human rights of employees and stakeholders, good relationships between the company and the community, their products, and sound partnership with their business partners, as shown in the table below. The public evaluate biotechnology companies from both an economic and ethical viewpoint. Hence, the investigational range of the meaning of genes and genomes in the biotechnology companies must be extended from genes as live scientific materials to genes as ethical, legal, and social elements. To seek a sustainable society that is in harmony with the problems derived from life sciences, genes, and genomes by considering a genome-conscious way of life, adopting and implementing the appropriate public welfare policies, and pursuing better routes in conventional bioethics as seen in medical ethics.